Today we will solve an algebraic problem, right? Where we have given an equations and we have to prove that this statement, right? So the given statement is a plus 1 by b equals to b plus 1 by c equals to c plus 1 by a, and then we have to prove that ABC, multiplication of ABC is equal to 1. Okay, so let's start. Okay, the first thing is that a plus 1 by b is equals to b plus 1 by c equals to c plus 1 by a, right? So what we can do is that we can write some constant number, right, which is equivalent to all these three equations, right? So let's assume k is the constant, which is equals to a plus 1 by b, b plus 1 by c, and c plus 1 by a, right? Okay, so let's try to subtract these two, right, equations. So we will pick the first two equations, right? So a plus 1 by b minus b plus 1 by c equals to k minus k, right? So this will become 0, right? Now what I can write is that a minus b, so I have taken b from here, a minus b plus 1 by b minus 1 by c equals to 0. Okay, so now if I keep it on the left hand side and these things on the right hand side, okay, so it will go over here, right? It would be like 1 by c minus 1 by b, which will be equivalent to this equation, right? So b would go there minus c, and then bc would be there, right? Similarly, we can do it with these two equations. We have done it for these two. Let's do it for these two equations also, right? So b minus c, right, equals to c minus a ac, right? So we have taken these two equations, right? And subtract these from these two equations, so we will get this statement, right? Similarly, we will do it for these two equations. So we will get what we will get. We will get c minus a equals to a minus b divided by ab, right? Now the trick is that you can see that we have got three equations, right? And here you can see that this has a minus b, this has a minus b. The second equation has minus b minus c, and the first equation also has b minus c. So what we will do is that we will multiply all three statements, right, together. So it would be like a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a equals to b minus c divided by bc, c minus a divided by ac, and a minus b divided by ab, right? Now you can see that these three things are common, right? On the left hand side also and on the right hand side also, right? If you can say a minus b, then you have this a minus b, then b minus c, you have this b minus c, and then c minus a, so you have c minus a over here, okay? So these two things would get cancelled out, right? So what remains is that 1 equals to 1, cancel, a square. From this we will get a square. From here we will get b square, and this is c square, right? Okay, so what we can do is that we can take this a square, b square, c square over there, and that would become 1, right? And if we do the square root of both the equations, so we will get the final statement ABC equals to 1, right? This is the thing which we wanted to prove, right? Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to Math Pro channel.